The dashboard provides quick access to admins, roles, staff, and staff ID cards. From here, existing records can be viewed or new entries added with just a click. In the admin section, details of all school administrators can be viewed, including contact information, designation, login credentials, joining date, and current status. When adding a new admin, the system collects personal details such as name, gender, address, phone, and email. Joining details including role, designation, salary, qualifications, and responsibilities. Permissions, where fine-grained access rights can be set for each module like inquiries, timetable, exams, fees, live classes, and more. Login credentials including username, email, and password, and Zoom API details for those conducting live classes. Finally, the admin account can be activated or deactivated as required. The Roles section defines the structure of responsibilities within the school. Here, all roles such as teacher, librarian, accountant, or receptionist can be viewed. When creating a new role, the role name is entered and permissions are assigned. Permissions cover every aspect of school management, from adding inquiries and managing students to handling fees, exams, transport, library, and more. This ensures each role has exactly the access it needs, no more and no less. In the staff list, all staff members can be viewed along with their details: name, phone, email, salary, designation, role, login details, joining date, and attendance report. When adding a new staff member, the system captures personal details like name, gender, date of birth, address, phone, and email. Joining details including role, salary, designation, qualifications, and joining date. Class teacher or bus in charge responsibilities, if applicable. Permissions, providing granular control over what each staff member can access, covering subjects, timetable, exams, fees, library, live classes, and more. And login details, including username, email, and password. Zoom integration is also available for staff handling online classes. Finally, the staff member is marked active or inactive, ensuring precise management of staff records. The staff attendance feature allows administrators to track staff presence daily or monthly. In Take Attendance, the date is selected and each staff member is marked as present, absent, holiday, or leave. In View Attendance, monthly reports show total present days, absences, and holidays for each staff member. The attendance sheet can also be printed for official records. The Staff Leave section manages leave requests. Here, administrators can view all leave requests with details such as staff name, reason, leave dates, and status, and approve or reject requests directly from the system. When adding leave, the staff member is selected. Single day or multiple day leave is specified, the reason is entered, and the approval status is set. This ensures a transparent and trackable leave management process. Finally, the Staff ID Cards feature enables printing professional ID cards for staff. These can be generated quickly with staff details and printed directly for distribution.